would it be okay if I first show you how easy it is to set up the automation by giving you a free funnel? I want to start the next two lessons back to front because I found that one of the obstacles faced by so many is the automation part of the online business. Now, without even knowing the benefits of having an automated business, people tend to run to the hills by the sheer mention of automation. So, would it be okay if I first show you how easy it is to set up the automation by giving you a free funnel and then explaining the benefits afterwards? So, the first thing you would need is a platform to host your automation software on. And I know how important it is for any startup to keep their monthly expenses as low as possible. So the platform I'm about to suggest is completely free for life. Not some false promise bogus trial, making this the ideal platform for any startup. So if it's okay with you, click on the button below this video marked Access Automation Software. Now, next fill in your email address and click on Get My Free Account. Go to your email account and click on the link in the confirmation email and set up your password. So great, you're now logged in. Please leave this page open and stay logged in. Then click on the button below this video marked Import the Automated Funnel. Now here you can see the automation page, which we call a funnel, has been imported. So how easy is that? This is a list of all the pages in the automation. Some funnels might have one page and some funnels might have multiple pages, depending on the product or the application. Now, you can stay on this page as I will come back to it in a second. But if you wish, you can follow along. If ever you want to get back to this list of pages, all you need to do is click on Funnels. Here you will see a list of all the funnels that you have. Now, if ever you want to delete a funnel, you can click here on the three dots and then on delete. Now, if you click on the name of the funnel, you will get back to the list of funnel pages. So allow me to show you how easy it is to personalize these pages. Please would you follow along and feel free to pause if you need to. Click here in the top on the page named Living the Laptop Lifestyle to select it. Next, click on Edit Page. Here on the page where it reads My Name, just click here and then delete My Name and replace it with yours. Now click anywhere on the page that does not have text. Scroll down next to my picture and click here where it reads My Name. Again, delete it and replace it with yours. Then click anywhere on the page that does not have text. Next, we want to replace my picture with yours. Now, don't worry if you don't have a picture of yourself, as no one is going to see it, and we can always come back and change it. Hover over my picture, do not click on it, just hover. If you accidentally clicked on it, just click anywhere on the page that doesn't have text. So while hovering, you will see this orange block with the gear icon. Click on the gear icon and then here in the left side menu under Image File, click on the Cloud Upload icon. Now click on Select File and select a picture from your device. Any picture for now, even if it's a picture of your cat from your device. It may take a minute, but once it's uploaded, you will be presented with all of your uploads. And here it will show you what you've just uploaded. All you need to do is click on Insert. If the picture is a little bit too big or too small, you can adjust the size here. Now all that is left to do is to click here and save, and then click this back arrow to return to your funnel steps. To see what this looks like in real life, click here on View Funnel Step. See, that is not nearly as intimidating as you think. Now you can close this for now. You don't need to follow along. I just want to show you something. If a visitor clicks on Get Started, a pop-up window will appear asking the visitor to enter their name and email address before they get forwarded to the next page. Just give me a second to open my page in edit mode. If I hover over the button and click on the gear icon, here on the left, I can see what happens when somebody clicks on the button. And that instruction is show pop-up. Then if I view the pop-up and click on the gear icon on the button, I can see what happens next. The first instruction is submit the form. In other words, save the person's contact details. And the next instruction is take them to the next step. In other words, take them to the next step in my funnel. Or I can specify another web page. Now, you must admit this is very straightforward and super easy. The only obstacle is when you try to design your own funnel from scratch so that it looks professional and works properly. So by having a pre-made funnel and instructions can get you started so much faster and save you weeks, if not months of frustration. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to invite you to my free training so that you can finally stop watching random videos on YouTube trying to figure out how to make money online. So I've left a link in the description to my easy to follow 3-step system that teaches you automation, traffic, and shows you the best product to promote so you can start seeing success. Or you can watch the next video about the secrets of automation over here. And don't forget to follow